Hi guys, welcome to my hair transplantation video. I have almost completed 1 year since I had my hair transplantation. So now if you see my 1 year results, wow, the results are awesome. I hope you guys are liking my results. See, the hair are very much denser, and what I had wished for, I have got the same density. What do you think? Is it due to the hair transplantation? Oh, of course not. Why I'm looking so much denser? Because I'm using topic. So after applying topic, my hair looks much denser. Okay guys, apart from this topic, let me show you my 1 year hair transplantation results. I will just go, I will wash my hair and I will come back, and let's see how do my hair look like. This is with topic and after topic. Okay, let me wash my hair. Welcome back guys. I have just washed my hair, so have a look how my hair looks like. So by the completion of 1 year since my hair transplantation, still the density is not very much. What I was expecting, I have not achieved that density. If you see on the left portion of my hair, the scalp is very visible, and the density is very poor. And on the right portion of my scalp is still visible. The density is not very good, but I got something on my right portion of the head. But after completion of 7 months, what I observed, the transplanted hair on this area, they were started to fall. That was not what I was expecting, because the doctors, they always say transplant hair never fall. But with me that was not the case. I do believe that it depends from person to person. So some people may have a very good density, and some might not have. But with me, the density is not very good what I was expecting. So guys, I think now is a time, as I have completed my 1 year. So I want to recommend you guys who are planning to go to Turkey for hair transplantation. So what I will say, the first of all, there are so many clinics in Turkey who are using the name of very good doctors, and normally there are three main kind of clinics. Let me explain as per my information. The very top quality is the one where doctor will perform all the major operation himself, and he will deal only one patient in a day. So that is what I will recommend you guys to consider if you plan for hair transplantation in Turkey. The second kind of clinics or hospitals which are the one in which doctor perform multiple hair transplant surgeries, maybe 3 or 4 in one day. So what he does, he will draw the hairline, he will open the channels in your transplanted region, and then he will start doing the same procedure for the other patients. And his team members, who are normally technicians or nurse, they will perform the other remaining procedure for the hair transplantation. uh, that is the second type of hair transplantation category which I had gone through. As per my recommendation and as per my experience, what I have observed, it also depends on the skills of the technicians who are performing the hair transplantation. Because the doctor will come, he will open the channels and then he will go. So the nurse, his team member, what they will do, they will take the grafts. They will extract the grafts and then they will put it back on your transplanted regions. So in some cases, what happens if they are not following the proper technique? So what will happen? The grafts may die and they will not grow in a proper way. The most important thing is the graft should grow in a certain direction. So if you see closely on my this area, you will see the grafts are grown in the right way. What if the grafts, the hair, they start to grow on the left, if the grafts are not positioned or not plugged in properly? So I think this is very important factor. So if even you get a good density and if the grafts are not properly plugged in, you will get the hair going in different direction, and that will look very poor. That will not look very good. And the main factor is also depending on the hairline. If the hairline is looking like natural, eventually you will be looking very smart and better than before. The third kind of hair transplantation in Turkey, which is very cheap class, is they use the name of doctor, but what what happens? The doctor comes in the room. He will just greet a patient and then he will go. He will introduce the patient to his team and then he will left. So what will happen? Doctor will not take place in the whole procedure. He will just come. Maybe he will come and observe the patient and then he will leave. So in the end, you will just finish your procedure through the technicians, through nurses, and you will not achieve the quality procedure. So what I have been explaining you guys, as per my recommendation, I will only suggest you guys to go to the hospitals or doctors where the doctor is dealing only one patient in one day. In that way, you will get the real focus of the doctor, and of course, I believe the hair transplant what you will get after 1 year will be a better quality. As per my experience now, if if you guys will be thinking um, what is my what I expected and what I achieved. So how am I feeling now? I think I have not achieved what I wished for. If I see my hair, they are not very much denser. I was only bald from the front area and 3100 grafts were implanted. I was not completely bald. So I think if 3100 grafts were implanted, I should have a very good density, which I don't have after the 1 year. So I feel I have got I after 1 year I have some hair what I had not before the hair transplantation, but I will say it is still like 30% the betterment what I have faced after the hair transplantation, which is not very good. In the beginning, from 5 to 6 months, my hair growth was very good. I was very happy that time. But with time, the transplanted hair started to fall, and and also the dandruff issue what I faced after the hair transplantation. That was very strange kind of dandruff that the skin was peeling off from the scalp. I still have such kind of dandruff, but it has reduced. It is not like what I was facing before. That is another I will say, if I see myself, it's the disadvantage or the side effect of hair transplantation what I have observed. I'm not sure if it happens with everyone or also it depends on the skills of technicians. So guys, that's all from my side. So my results are in front of you. I tried my best to post my videos after every month to update you guys to so that you can have clear understanding how the hair transplantation goes and how the results could be. But I will, in the end of my video, I will thank all of you guys who have been kept in touch with me and commented on my videos, who have subscribed me. And keep in mind that hair transplant results vary from person to person. In my grafts, per graft I believe I don't had multiple hair from my graft. If you have 3 or 4 hair in your graft, in each graft, then you will have a better density. But in my case, I had, I think, maximum 2 hair per graft. So, and I have not used any kind of medicine, like I have not used finasteride. I only have been using this minoxidil for 2 months, and then I had used some multivitamins just for 3 months. So that's all, guys, from my side. Thank you, all of you. and surely I will keep in touch, maybe some other kind of videos in the future. And see you guys, take care, bye.